Master yourself. Master anything. To master anything, you must first master yourself, your emotions, thoughts, and actions. The secret sauce to winning in our distracted, tempting, and chaotic world is self-awareness. Self-awareness is freedom. You can achieve self-awareness by looking in the mirror and fully recognizing yourself. Most of the time, we avoid self-assessment because we worry it might reveal weaknesses we are afraid to admit. Do not fear self-assessment. According to Epictetus, the person is free who lives as they wish, neither compelled nor hindered nor limited. Consider how much time you spend doing things out of vanity or ignorance, just to please others. This is known as vicarious living. Why do you do things just to impress other people? You become a slave to money and to positions. Seneca puts it better. No slavery is more disgraceful than one which is self-imposed. Act today. Take inventory of your obligations. How many are self-imposed? How many are truly necessary? Are you free as you think? Remember, self-awareness is freedom. Quit being a slave.